So I was playing The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt on my PS4, and then I suddenly recognized this music. It's called The Beats, and you can hear it when you enter in Novigrad. This music looks a bit familiar if you are a fan of Western movies. So let's listen to it. Now listen to the track Ricciolo from Il Mercenario, The Mercenary, composed by Ennio Morricone. It's clearly the same track. So leave a comment below and tell me what you think. Bye!